राजधानी पणजेत चालू आशिल्ल्या सांतिनेज क्रिकाच्या सोबितीकरणाचो सगळ्यात व्हडलो फटको बसला तो बायोडायवर्सिटी सोबितीकरणाच्या कामा खातीर क्रिकातले उदक कितलेशेच कडेन आडोवन दवरला। ताका लागून कितलीशींच झाडां मरून पडल्यात। इतलेंच न्हय जाल्यार उदकाचो प्रवाह आडयल्ल्या कारणान मोठ्या प्रमाणात प्रदूषण जालां। ताका लागून कितलीशींच नुस्तीं लेगीत मेल्यात। हे गजालीचेर पणजे महापालिकेक मात कितेंच पडूंक गेल्लें ना। पळयात गोमंतक टीव्हीचो खाशेलो रिपोर्ट।
एके वटेन पणजी स्मार्ट करपा खातीर नेटान यत्न चल्ल्यात, जाल्यार दुसरे वटेन सांतिनेज क्रिकाच्या सोबितीकरणाचें काम चालू आसा। ह्या कामा खातीर खाडयेन घातिल्ल्या मातयेच्या भरावाक लागून जाग्या जाग्यांचेर उदक सांठून उरला। हाचो परिणाम तुमीच पळयात ही परिस्थिती। खाडयेंतल्या उदकाचो प्रवाह बंद जाला। हाचो फटको बसला तो उरिल्ले जैवविविधतायेक। झाडां मरून गेल्यात। हे पळयात कांपालावेल्या तळ्यातले उदक हांगाच्यान भायर येवन सांतिनेज खाडयेन येवन मेळटा। उदरगतीच्या कामाक लागून हीच वाट बंद केल्या। ताका लागून तळ्यातले नुस्तें मरून गेल्यात। तळ्यातले उदक प्रदूषित जालाच, ते भायर नुस्तें मेल्ल्यान ह्या वाठारांत रावपी लोकांक घाणयारो वास मारता।
See, the creek is blocked in so many points. This is playing with nature. You think you can block it anytime, you can make it flow anytime. This is because you don't understand that so many creatures are living here. Now their space is restricted, and in that restricted space, pollution is coming. So there's higher concentration of pollutants. Still, it is so drastic. It is so shocking. The health department, I think, is inspecting. They will give the exact report. But it is definitely the blocking of the creek, narrowing it down, and in that narrow space adding more contamination that is affecting the aquatic life there.
भलायकी तसेच प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी सोमारा ह्या वाठाराची पळवणी केली। तळ्यातले नुस्तें मरपाचे कारण अर्थातच हे प्रदूषण। ते आनी भलायकी अधिकाऱ्यांक वेगळे सांगपाची गरज ना, पूण हे प्रदूषण अशें अचकीत जाल्लें ना। सांतिनेज खाडयेच्या सोबितीकरणा खातीर 7 जाग्यांचेर धाकटे धाकटे साको बांदपाचे आसात। ते खातीर जाग्या जाग्याचेर मातयेची भर घालून दवरल्यात। ताकाच लागून हे प्रदूषण जाला अशें सांतिनेज खाडी बचाव गटाचे वांगडी सांगतात।
See, when we are choking up the creek, water cannot flow, and that causes pollutants to concentrate at one point. And one thing is that flow is blocked, and then there's also pollution in the creek. You can, anywhere you go near the creek, you can directly see there is solid waste, but most importantly there's sewage waste also which is going in. Now the creek is a store of lot of biodiversity. We have seen crocodiles, we have seen otters, we have seen fishes, we have seen turtles, we have seen snakes, there are birds, and also different kinds of aquatic plants. The cleaning of the creek is done, but I don't know if it is done in any scientific way, because there seems to be only a civil engineering focus. There is no environmental impact assessment done. Okay, there is no mapping of the biodiversity. Okay, what will happen if we block this? How will the food chain get broken? Who are the creatures dependent on it? So if we have no respect for biodiversity, we think humans are supreme and alone we can survive. That is not true, because that web of life also connects to us. Those diseases which you are seeing will also come to us. COVID is an example. It was passed from animals to humans, and similarly when we see fishes dying in such big numbers, definitely the diseases will come to us. And this is what is my main fear, that you're going about this creek cleanup, but it is done in an unscientific way. It will actually cause health problems, and the whole of Panjim will be stinking. Anywhere you go near the creek, it is already stinking, and now you're narrowing the creek mouth, that new bridge which is coming, which is going to completely choke it up. It is a very foolhardy, very stupidly thought plan. And we have really requested very strongly that that bridge should not come at all. Already what is choked, that should be first cleaned up. So partly it is cleaned, partly it is blocked. That is not the proper way to go about it.
मार्च 2023 मेरेन हे धाकटे धाकटे साको बांदून पुराय करपाचो महापालिकेचो उद्देश आसा। हे साको बांदून पुराय जाल्या उपरांत खाडयेंतलो काळ उसपून काडटले। उपरांत पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी जातलीय बीन, पूण ह्या नादी पणजे शारांतली उरिल्ली जैवविविधताय पुराय नश्ट जाल्ली आसतली। उदरगत जायच पूण तातूंत नियोजन आनी दूर दिश्टिकोणाचो उणाव आसल्यार बऱ्योच गजाली वगडावच्यो पडटात हे उदरगत करप्यांच्या लक्षांत येवपाक जाय. उपेंद्र नायका सयत ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही.